Imbros is a narrow 8-kilometer long canyon that starts at the village of Imbros and ends at the village of Komitades.
After a skip plateau, we will find the entrances. We will show you which one we recommend. We don't start from the part that you see many tavernas with a lot of people telling you to park. Starting in Crete, the gorge starts later. You can park in the last taverna, right here as you see from the drone shot, with a lot of parking space on the right of the road.
The trail is easy and well marked, making it a great choice for hikers of all skill levels and takes approximately 2 to 3 hours to complete. You might have seen already this kind of animation I make to show mostly hikes. Let me know in the comments, do you find it helpful or I should not bother anymore? Imbros is the second most popular gorge in Crete after Samaria, and it is much easier.
Imbros Gorge is a good alternative to a hike near Chania, when it comes to gorges at least, if you don't want to do Samaria for any reason.
This is the sort of walk that you could easily walk with children in a few hours. It is also much easier to access. You can just drive there and you won't need any ferry to come back. Or you can also buy a day trip from Chania. It costs around €35 per person.
It's very easy. We've been through this gorge like 4, 5 times. It's always pleasant. Not my favorite, as I said. In the description you can find a link with my favorite hikes around Chania.
The entrance costs €2.50 per person. We often see parts of the old stone-paved trail. Imbros was once the main passage from Chania to Sfakia. Walking through Imbros is also a historical approach. This is where the Allied troops walked through in May 1941 during the Battle of Crete in order to escape the island to Egypt.
You can find a lot of weapons, machines, parts, personal items of soldiers of all sides, German, New Zealand, British, in the War Museum in Askifu Plateau. It's very interesting to visit if you have the chance.
The trail is relatively easy, but sturdy shoes are recommended. It is also a good idea to bring plenty of water and snacks, as there are no facilities along the way.
Second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams I find peace, I remember it all.
Halfway we reach the most impressive part of the gorge, Stenada. Here the gorge is only 1.6 meters wide, while the height reaches 300 meters. The rocks are carved with very beautiful formations.
Everything's changing when I'm with you. I see all that goes. Feels like I'm fainting, blush like a painting. No colors of blue. I wait for you. No,
as you can see, this hike was our chance to use our new 360 camera for the first time. Let us know in the comments if you think it's a cool addition to our gear. After the narrow point, the canyon becomes wide again and we meet a resting place with a hut.
You think all these pictures are from missing people? In the beginning of the season, in May, when Samaria Gorge opens, there are times that it's closed due to rain or bad weather. With Imbros, this never happens. So, if you are in Chania for a week, for example, you want to do Samaria but it's closed because of some late spring rains, Imbros might be the way to go.
Then we meet the arch Ξεπιτήρα.
Today we're not walking all the way to Komitades village. We will go to a point, come back to the car. We want to walk here to show you also this place. I don't remember what's the name, I read it recently. And it reminds me of, if you hike up on Gigilos, and in Akçur, remember God's Bridge in Morocco? I hope you like this video, maybe it motivates you to visit Imbros when you come to Crete. In any case, thank you for watching, drop a like if you want, and see you next time.